Hello, my name is Muhammad Furqan Habib bin Muhammad Jafri. My matric number is A1793773. What is an electrical centrifugal pump? Electric centrifugal pump is a machine uses rotation to impart velocity to a liquid and then converts that velocity into flow. Every electric centrifugal pump consists of an impeller, a casing, and an assembly of mechanical components that make it possible for the impeller to rotate within it. It is common found in the hydroelectric turbine. It is also suitable based on theme Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations. So it is used a lot of in the sustainable development goals that has been required by United Nations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haika Iskandar bin Muhammad. The centrifugal pump is made of hundreds of parts, no matter how big or tiny. There are some major parts which are designed to perform specific tasks, which is seal, shaft, casing, impeller, bearing and coupling. Alright, the first part is seal. The function of seal is centrifugal pump can be provided with packing rings or mechanical seal, which help prevent the leaking of the pump liquid into the atmosphere. The second part is shaft. The main function of the shaft is to transmit the input power from the driver into the impeller. Alright, the third part is casing. The casing contains the liquid and act as a pressure containment vessel that direct the flow of liquid in and out of the centrifugal pump. Next is impeller, the primary source of their pumping actions. Its function is to increase the pressure of liquid. Then bearing. Bearing function is to support the weight if the shaft assembly to carry the hydraulic load acting on the shaft and to keep the pump shaft aligned to the shaft if the driver. Then the last one is coupling. Their function is to connect the pump shaft and the driver shaft and to transmit the input power from the driver into the pump. Thank you.
Electric centrifugal pumps are useful since they can generally handle a large quantity of fluids, provide a very high flow rates, and also have the ability to adjust their flow rates over a wide range. The fact that these electric centrifugal pumps are the most popular choice for fluid movements make them a strong contender for many applications, and as mentioned previously, they are used across numerous industries such as supplying water, boosting pressure, pumping water for domestic requirement, assisting fire protection, and also hot water circulation. So the sector involved in the usage of these electric centrifugal pumps such as oil and energy, waste management, and also various industries such as manufacturing, industrial, chemical, and also aerospace. So our main audience is the sector mentioned above, and the main function of this centrifugal pump is to handle a large quantity of fluids and also provide a very high flow rates. So that is our main objective of building this project.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, My name is Muhammad Mazin Rusnadi. My metric number is A181346. So today I'm gonna talk about our background project. So basically, our project is about electric centrifugal pump. Why is it called electric centrifugal pump? First one is convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy using centrifugal force acting on liquid. Second one is used to transfer fluid from low level to high level. So the pump consists of two main parts. First one is impeller, second one is casing. The function of the impeller is to rotate to generate velocity, while the function of casing is to convert velocity into flow. So before we start using our pump, we need to do priming method. The reason of priming method is to remove all air in the empty pump, so that the rotation of impeller can generate enough energy to pull up the water. So the problem about this pump is pump cavitation. It's because of low pressure or high vacuum condition. The pump stuff or receive not enough flow, so that the bubble or cavity will form at the eyes of the impeller. So there is a few type of pump. For our project we use single stage impeller, radial split casing, single section impeller design, single volute, overhang bearing support, and horizontal pump staff orientation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fatullah bin Ismail and my metric number is A179450. So today I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage of the centrifugal pumps. Simple breathing of the centrifugal pumps. Centrifugal pumps are used to transport fuel by the conversion of the rotational kinetic energy to the hydrodynamic energy of the fuel. So the advantage of this centrifugal pump is first, as they are compact, they need less space, and second, they can be fixed to any high speed driving mechanism, and third is due to the rotational motion, they produce no sound. Fourth, the cost of this product is less, and the fifth and the last, due to the easy mechanism, the operation as well as the repair are easy. And the disadvantage of this centrifugal pump is first, the flow rate of water cannot be controlled. Second, they cannot be used without the prime mover, which is the impeller. And the third is cavitation might occur if the pressure inside the impeller goes below to the vapor pressure of water. This might create the water to boil and the vapor bubbles that might swelling the impeller by time. So that's all. Thank you.